Yeah, members inactive. Then hit the gear. Re-enroll. View tool. Okay. Now go to the Gradebook. The computer's super slow. Oh my god. Alright. And then just go to the 3 bars. It's okay. It's now populate.
What 2 bars?
3 bars. The 3 bars dot.
Right here?
Yep. And export. And Gradebook. And next. And that's all. Okay.